si akhulume kabi ngobishop weZCC but laba abaloku bathi ngasathane la phumane lapho balwa babodwa baphinde balwe nanathi abana peace mara they always saying peace be unto you angazwe ngiunderstand na so bazoyizwa but still bazofuna ukuyibracketa because yazi umoya omubi mawukumbathile bheki sometimes kumele uthi mawuthandaza nawe uyithandazise ukuthi lo moya omubi kaSathane ungiyeke because sometimes ukwazi ukungena umoya kaSathane ungaziboni you understand uyakungena umoya kaSathane uyenza izinto zaSathane mara wena uyitshela ukuthi usendleleni right
kona lokho kusuka ezweni nje
you understand
udile nemuntu imele ucala ukubona lapho unless asiphikisane scripturally ke as decide that route but nje yokuzokhuluma 20 million bahlanya bonke
baphinde bangalwi bodwa bona
how can someone command 20 million with peace ngihlezi ngibona uShembe aya entabeni I don't see police there I don't see soldiers akunayibhama akuna next makune order like order so bahlanya
elamhlanje ngibulala abahlanyi
no na ezinye izinto mele mele sibheke ukuthi yazini nena hayi noma ngabe kwenzakalani
it's just that vele sifakwele engqondo ukuthi ukuba rich khambelana nobusathane wathi and I always argue leyo ndaba ukuthi mara masizothi umuntu orish shuthi izinto zakaSathane shuthi sithi uNkulunkulu akana power wokuyenza abantu rich. The reason I'm saying this is because labo Patrice Motsepe, Cyril Ramaphosa, your late Nelson Mandela's
ubona ngene mangusuthu ukuthelisa
ubone bangena kaShembe aqhawula uShembe isandla athi ngizocela imithandazo umbona ngene eZCC ubabone bahamba lama IPCC okusho ukuthi bayiphukuphuku lokhu kuyinkosi kwama president kithi